Hi, I'm Josie, an illustrator coming from Switzerland. I'm conducting an illustration workshop. Our goal in this workshop is to learn how to create a visual in illustration that will deliver a message and will spread awareness about a topic. We had two topics, and the first thing we learn how to do is how to do our research by narrowing keywords and then of course think about the visual we want to deliver. We worked on the technical aspect of creating our illustration, like ways to create to make our composition interesting by creating focal points, and how to create also character designs and how the shapes help you to create the character design, your character, by breaking down your visual to very basic shapes at the beginning. And then of course we spoke about common problems, like when you feel you're stuck in your idea because you have so much elements in your composition, you have so much colors, you have even though your idea is very simple. So we learned how to start to reduce and remove elements just to deliver a simple and out of stress message. So through the workflow, so just to make it less stressful by eliminating ideas and elements and objects from our composition.